Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your headlight on your Kia Seltos. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the concern here is this driver's side headlight is a little off. It's facing down a little bit. Right there. So, yep, it is out. This guy right here, you need to adjust a little bit. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, so you don't really have to hoist this one. I did hoist it so I can give you guys a better vision. All you need to do is grab yourself a 13mm ratcheting wrench, and this one right here is your adjustment. So if I turn this counterclockwise, the light bulb is just keep going down. Now we're gonna turn this clockwise so we can adjust and compare the driver's side to the passenger side. All right, it's about right right there. Cool. So this is your adjustment right here. Yeah, well, this one's a little higher, so let's adjust it down a little bit. There we go. Alright guys, they look pretty even. Alright guys, so this one is in the Kia Soul. And Soul and Seltos, or for the most Kia headlight, they do have the same style. It's right there, the 13mm. You can still put your 13mm here and make some adjustment. Yeah, so all of them are pretty much the same style. Here on the passenger side, it's also right there.